What is Huzoor's advice for a convert like me on how I can continue this path to become a better and better Ahmadiya Muslim every day?
First thing, as I have already told, 5 daily prayers. Try to learn Surah Fatiha. Memorize it in Arabic, so that will have more blessing on you. And then meaning of it. Ponder over it. What are the meaning of it? And then try to practice accordingly. Right? Try to read the literature of Ahmadiyyat. First book, I think you should read The Philosophy of the Teaching of Islam. Right? And Ark of Noah. That will help you to increase your religious knowledge and understanding about Islam and Ahmadiyyat. So, when you finish these books, then you ask me again, then I will let you know.
I'll send you a letter.
Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakallah.